Bhunna Qeema almost done. Now I'm going to add a little bit oil. I have not added any oil in there. This is all from the fat. So it was 90% lean and 10% was fat. So I'm going to add a little bit oil. So that now I'm going to fry in this oil. So it will take next 7 to 10 minutes and keema will be ready. No more water. Because that's why the Bhunna Qeema, the roasted style. So everything is mixed already. Garlic, onion, there was the two things which have to be cooked inside the meat. So now I'm going to close and cover up and leave it like a 7 to 10 minutes, and then I will turn off. The keema is ready already. Beef ground meat.